Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Nissan Rogue cabin air filter. First, open your glove box and remove all contents. This provides clear access to the filter housing. You will typically only need a small flathead screwdriver for this task. Having your tools ready makes the process smooth and efficient. Next, carefully detach the dampener arm located on the right side of the glove box. Then, gently push inward on both sides of the glove box simultaneously. This action will release the stops, allowing the glove box to swing down completely. This step reveals the cabin air filter housing, making it accessible for replacement. Now, locate the two clips on the cabin air filter housing cover and unfasten them. With the cover removed, carefully slide out the old, dirty cabin air filter. Before discarding it, observe the airflow direction arrow printed on the filter. This arrow indicates how air flows through the filter, which is crucial for correct installation of the new one. Finally, insert your new cabin air filter, ensuring the airflow arrow points in the correct direction, usually downwards. Snap the filter housing cover back into its secure position. Then, lift the glove box and re-engage the stops on both sides. Reattach the dampener arm to complete the installation. You've successfully changed your cabin air filter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.